Hello guys and welcome back. Today we'll be making a picker, like a day or night picker with animation, something like this. When you move the day, the time, it will show like this. And if you are ready, kindly smash the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So here I have a simple code of material app, stateless widget here, and then I'll make the home called the home. Now I have not created the home yet, so let me come down here and create it. This will be a stateful widget, home, and then we'll have it here, home. Okay, let me just add my constant here, and this is the package we'll be using today, the day nighttime picker package. Now install it in your pubspec.yaml file. I'll leave the link in the description below. I already imported mine, so I will import it in my file. The Ctrl-V. Okay, so yeah, we'll be having my scaffold, which will create the app bar. You should take a title. Okay, app bar, and I will just have to restart my app to see these changes. While it restarts, let me just create the body, and here we'll be having an elevated button. So yeah, the unpressed, we have to create some functions for this. The child will be a text which is this: open the nighttime picker, and I will center this button to look fresh. Oh, why is this happening? Center child is this, so alright, and let's define some things we need here. So we need the time of day equals time, and here we'll be using the current time of day dot now. So we'll be using the current time in our app, and then it will have an unchanged function, so void on time changed. Now this is a simple function. It will take the property of the time of day, and then it will set the time which we defined here to equals to the time. We'll see it soon. If I should, let me just save this. Okay, now we need the unpressed function. When we press, we want to navigate dot push. I want to navigate to the timer, so here we'll have show picker, and the value will be the time which we defined here as the time of day dot now, and the unchanged will be the function on time changed. Okay, and this is just it. If we save this now and we press the button, You can see the time here is the same with the time on this button. This is just what we need. Just move this like this, and you can see the animation with the sun and everything. This is just it about this package, guys. If you love this video and you want to learn more about Flutter, kindly smash the subscribe button and like this video. Also comment down below the type of video you want, and I'll see you in the next lesson.